Hello my lovelies, I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day wherever you are. So today I'm doing a love drawing bath or a self-love bath. So I've got some sun water that I had out in the sun, getting all that energy, all the good energy, and here I'm adding a cup of milk. You can add dairy, you can add depending what you're taking, if you're vegan or whatever the case may be, add that type of milk. So you're going to be adding that milk, add in a tablespoon of fine coffee. Fine coffee is just easier to dissolve into the water. And when you're doing this bath, okay, do it when you're not going anywhere. You know, so you're going to be relaxing for the evening, because you want it to stay on you. You want this water to stay on you, because when you pour it on yourself, you won't be washing it off. Right? So do it on a day that you will be staying inside. Your relaxing day, your chill out day. I'm adding here some caster sugar. Again, it's easier to dissolve into the warm water. So here I'm adding some cinnamon, again about a tablespoon. Cinnamon is good for love, and it speeds up work, it's good for healing. So yeah, about a tablespoon of cinnamon. Add in some attraction oil, just a few drops. And add in a few drops of love oil. Just quickly run through what I put in here already. So I use sun water. If you don't have any water that you've left out, then you can use just normal drinking water. Cup of milk, some cinnamon, coffee, fine coffee, some caster sugar, attraction oil, love oil. I'm adding in some pink Himalayan salt. It's good for protection, removing negative situations and removing blockages. Because when you're doing this work, you want these things to come in a protective way. You want love and attraction to come in a very loving way. So at the same time, you want everything to be protected, as well as keeping yourself protected at all times. I've added in some rose buds. If you've got rose petals, that's fine as well. Added in a few drops of rose oil, or if you don't have rose oil, you could add in something like orange, or maybe like something sweet, maybe strawberry scent, cherry sort of scent, passion fruit, all those sort of things. It's good for love. This is optional, but I like to put a rose quartz in the middle of the bowl in the water, let it sit there for about 6 hours before I use it. If you don't have a bath, you can just take this mixture and pour it over your body. Remove the crystal, don't forget to take that out, you don't want to hurt yourself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care. Bye.